In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Tripadvisor API key. If you want to use Tripadvisor's developer APIs, like the Content API or the Partner and Location APIs, you'll first need an API key. I'll walk you through getting one, securing it, and using it in your requests so you can start building with confidence. Start by heading to the official Tripadvisor developers page at tripadvisor.com/developers. This is the central hub for documentation, product details, and the place where you'll manage your keys. Next, sign in with your Tripadvisor account. If you don't have one yet, create a new account. It only takes a moment. Logging in ensures the system can link your key to your profile and any app settings you configure. Once you're signed in, navigate to your developer dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll find options for API products, your existing applications, and any keys you've already generated. If the layout changes from time to time, look for wording like Developer Dashboard, My Apps, or API Keys. Now, create a new API key. Click the button or link labeled Create API Key or Generate API Key. You'll be prompted to enter a few details. Give your application a clear name, describe your intended use case, and, if required, provide billing information. Some Tripadvisor APIs include limited free tiers, but certain features or higher usage may require payment details, so review the terms before proceeding. After your key is issued, apply restrictions for security. Tripadvisor may allow you to lock the key to specific website domains, IP addresses, or environments. This helps block unauthorized use if the key is ever exposed. Only allow the origins or servers that will make the actual requests, and avoid embedding the key in public client-side code. With restrictions set, copy your key from the dashboard and store it safely. A password manager or a secure secrets vault is a good choice. Keep a record of which application the key belongs to, and never share it in screenshots or public repositories. Finally, use your API key in your requests. Follow the documentation for the product you're using. Many endpoints accept the key as a query parameter, like $key equals your key, or as a request header, such as X Tripadvisor API, key followed by your key. Also note any rate limits and error codes so you can handle responses gracefully. That's it. You've visited the developer site, signed in, generated and restricted your key, stored it securely, and learned where to include it in